In this video, we listed the 4 best mini drones that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I try to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Dixsg K100 Max Mini Drones. The Dixsg camera drone is an advanced quadcopter designed for aerial photography enthusiasts aged 12 and older. Weighing only 400 g, it features a brushless motor and supports a maximum takeoff weight of 1 to 2 kilograms. This drone is equipped with a gimbal image stabilizer for high-quality 8K video recording at a resolution of 7680 by 4320 pixels. It operates on a 2.4 GHz frequency and can be controlled remotely from distances up to 10,000 meters, offering a flight time of approximately 28 minutes. While it lacks an integrated propeller guard and built-in display, it includes a removable 50G battery with a capacity of 1,800 mAh. The drone's complete omnidirectional sensing enhances its obstacle avoidance capabilities, and it connects via an app controller with 4 control channels. Recognized as a top brand on AliExpress, Dixsg has garnered over 100,000 positive ratings in recent months, reflecting its popularity and reliability among consumers. Number 2. Xiaomi CZ06 Mini Drones. The Dixsg camera drone, produced by Xiaomi, is a high-performance quadcopter designed for aerial photography enthusiasts. Weighing 452 g, it supports a maximum takeoff weight of 5 to 6 kilograms and features a brushless motor for efficient flight. This drone incorporates GPS-based obstacle avoidance and complete omnidirectional sensing, ensuring safe navigation. It captures stunning 8K HD video at a resolution of 7680 by 4320 pixels and operates on dual frequencies of 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. With a flight time of approximately 20 minutes and a remote control range of up to 15,000 meters, it offers an impressive flying experience. The drone includes a fixed camera mount, supports multiple languages in its app, and is CE certified. Dixsg is recognized as a top brand on AliExpress, having received over 100,000 positive ratings and views in recent months, highlighting its popularity and reliability among consumers. Number 3. Xiaomi D16 Mini Drones. The Dixsg camera drone, a product of Xiaomi, is a lightweight quadcopter weighing just 166 g, making it an excellent choice for aerial photography enthusiasts. Designed for ease of use, it features a brushless motor and supports a maximum takeoff weight of under 1 kilogram. This drone includes an integrated propeller guard for added safety and utilizes GPS-based obstacle avoidance for reliable navigation. It captures impressive 8K HD video at a resolution of 7680 by 4320 pixels in MP4 format. With a flight time of approximately 18 minutes and a remote control range of up to 5,000 meters, it offers a practical flying experience. Although it does not include GPS functionality or a display control, it connects via an app controller and operates on a 2.4 GHz frequency. Dixsg is recognized as a top brand on AliExpress, with over 100,000 positive ratings in recent months, underscoring its popularity and consumer trust. Number 4. S156 Screen Mini Drone. The Dixsg camera drone, designed by Xiaomi, is a compact and versatile quadcopter ideal for aerial photography, weighing approximately 300 g and supporting a maximum takeoff weight of under 1 kilogram. It features a brushless motor and offers GPS functionality for enhanced navigation. The drone boasts impressive camera capabilities, including 1080p and 4K HD video recording, with a maximum resolution of 240p, 320 by 240, and optical, gimbal, and electronic image stabilization for smooth footage. With a flight time of up to 47 minutes and a remote control range of 20,000 meters, it provides an extended flying experience. The drone operates on a 2.4 GHz frequency and supports various languages through its app, making it user-friendly for a diverse audience. Although it does not include an integrated propeller guard, it is equipped with a removable battery and has a recommended age of 7 years and older. Dixsg is recognized as a top brand on AliExpress, reflecting its popularity and reliability among consumers.